Our fatigued body needs a biological spa daily to activate the body and mind from the inside out. The OlyLife Tera P-90 is the answer. Single activation button, intelligent display, turn on the power, and the standby indication will light up in red. Place both feet on the energy board, and the in-use indicator will light up in green. A time indicator display as a gentle reminder, multi-level intensity according to your liking. Continuous and stable PEMF pulsating like a human cell charger. Starting from the soles of the feet to expel dampness and cold, activate cells, promote microcirculation of the body, and lighten the body from the inside out. OlyLife Tera P-90, exquisite and petite in size, powerful and competent in function. One device shared by all. OlyLife Tera P-90 preserve wellness scientifically, nurture health continuously.